With what Britain's Prime Minister calls a tidal wave of the Omicron variant now sweeping the country, people formed long lines to get booster shots.
You know, you want to go home for Christmas and make sure you get it as soon as possible, so quite happy to wait.
It's just easier for us and for people we live with, especially our parents, our grandparents, so it just makes sense for us to wait in the queue.
Boris Johnson has vowed to give everyone a chance to get boosted before the end of the year.
Omicron is producing hospitalisations and sadly at least one patient has now been confirmed to have died with Omicron.
Britain has already given out more than 23 million third doses, more than any other country in Europe. But to get boosters into everyone left who's eligible will require a huge pace of 1 million vaccinations every day until the end of the year. Whether that's actually possible, health administrators are non-committal. Some non-life-threatening care will be postponed, and the military is helping coordinate. On this first day, the online booking site was overwhelmed.
Our projections are showing anywhere from 25,000 to 75,000 potential deaths over the next 5 months due to this new wave of infection.
Canadian Dr. Nick Davies co-authored the Omicron modeling study that's generated so much anxiety here. He says Canadians should pay attention too.
I do think these results are applicable to Canada, but I think the situation in the UK is such that we're probably a week or two ahead of at least of most other countries in a similar situation to us.
But it's on all of us to pick up, to step up.
Politically, Britain's Conservatives have been pummeled by COVID, first appearing to ignore their own rules by holding Christmas office gatherings, and now facing a backbench revolt over new Omicron restrictions. More masking and working from home kicked in today, which at least appeared to cut down on traffic at London's tube stations. Chris Brown, CBC News, London.